I was sent this Milwaukee compatible string trimmer and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. So here goes. So the beauty of this is it runs on the Milwaukee family of batteries that you probably already have. And you can use that with this string trimmer. It's interesting because this trimmer folds in half. And I will show you how that works. It's uses these kind of strands of trimmer material here. So they give you a whole bunch of them here, but you could just take any trimmer line, cut it to length, and then thread it through. You could use that as well. You could buy replacements of these as well. These are little square kind of tipped ends here, but really convenient because you just thread them in and off you go. You don't have to worry about it getting jammed, reloading it, anything like that. So let's get this put together and see how it works. Now we got it all put together. Really easy to do, just a couple screws. You've got a little metal guard here that slides out. It's adjustable. Got the protective guard here so you don't get hit with any debris. And you can slide it in to make it a lot more compact. Right there. And then you're able to rotate. So you've got a piece here that you can unlatch right like this, and then you can rotate the handle. You can also press a button here in black, and that can rotate the head. And by doing so, you're able to set it up with this wheel to do some curb trimming. So you can do the edging on the edge of the driveway with that. Got some really tall crabgrass here, Dallas grass growing up. We'll see how it does. Yeah, so overall, I think this would be a really good unit for somebody on a budget and somebody that has a small yard. This would definitely do the job. It's definitely able to do the edging and to do the weed eating without a problem. I'm not sure this is like up for commercial use type of unit here, but for a small yard residential use, this would definitely get the job done. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.